A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. My dear students, as you know that your English teacher is Sir Adnan, but due to some uncertain conditions, I am Mrs. Afsha Qasim here to giving you the lesson of month of September. In the month of September, the unit number 18, the sentences. I hope that all of you can easily understand what is sentences. Sentences meanings in Urdu is jumle. My dear students, in this unit we will read about the classifications of sentences and how many types of sentences. As you are seeing, the first heading of this unit is classification of sentences based on structure. It means कि जुमलों की जो बुनियाद है वो उसके स्ट्रक्चर पे बेस करती है कि उसके स्ट्रक्चर में कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ किया जा रहा है. When writing to convey information and to discuss simple ideas, it is appropriate to use simple, basic sentence constructions. However, in creative writing, when there is a requirement to display a more fluent and sophisticated style, a variety of sentence constructions should be employed. By doing so, the monotony that comes from repetition is reduced and a sense of life and rhythm is introduced. In this para, we are going to discuss that each sentence has different style, different variety and different types of construction should be employed. And these changes are said by classification of sentence. In the second para, variety and rhythm can be introduced by employing a judicious mix of the principal sentence construction types that all accomplished writers depend on. Here, variety and rhythm means how many types of sentence are there? These are 4 in numbers. You are seeing here. Number 1, simple sentence. Number 2, the compound sentence. Number 3, the complex sentence. Number 4, the compound complex sentence. Now, my dear students, we can define here these all types of sentences one by one. Number 1 is the simple sentence. A simple sentence means सादा जुमला contains a single complete independent clause with one infinitive verb and a single subject. It means, here is the example of simple sentence. Jamal is the best cricketer in the school. Number 2, I saw the most amazing sights in Africa. Here are the 2 examples of simple sentence. Okay, my dear students. Dear students, the second one is the compound sentence. Compound means मुरक्कब, मजमुआ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब जमा हो जाती हैं. A compound sentence is made up of 2 or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Conjunctions means 2 चीज़ों को जोड़ना. इस सेंटेंस में बहुत सारी चीज़ें मौजूद होती हैं, बहुत सारे क्लॉजेज होते हैं जो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए होते हैं और कंजक्शंस होती हैं. Now I am going to give the example of these compound sentences. Number 1, I have been trying to open this packet for the last half an hour, but it has been taped all over too tightly. In bracket, coordinating conjunction but. In this sentence, but is coordinating conjunction. In second example, don't leave the plant out at night or it will wilt in the severe cold. Here in this coordinating conjunction is or. As you all are seeing, don't leave the plant out at night or it will in the severe cold. Coordinating conjunction is or. My dear students, we have completed 2 examples of sentences here, and the third one is the complex sentence. My dear students, a complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one independent clause. The independent clauses in a complex sentence are introduced with subordinating conjunctions or relative pronouns. Here we are going to describe that in the complex sentence we are going to introduce subordinating conjunctions or relative pronouns. Example of complex sentences are: number 1, I have promised her that I will help her on the day of the party, although I don't know how to cook. In bracket, 2 dependent clauses, one beginning with relative pronoun that and the other beginning with subordinating conjunction although. Second example is Anila is leaving school because. Here complex sentence introduction, because her father is taking up a new job in another city. In bracket, one dependent clause beginning with subordinating conjunction because. My dear students, now we are going step by step. We have completed our 3 kinds of sentences, and the 4th one here is the compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence is built up with at least 2 independent clauses and one or more than one dependent clause. These sentences may contain both types of conjunctions and relative pronouns. The structure of a compound complex. Study the following analysis of the structure of compound complex sentences. Here I am going to giving the examples of compound complex sentences. Number 1, the Babar prefers Hollywood action films. He went to see an Urdu film with his expresses a complete. I am repeating. Though Babar prefers Hollywood action films, he went to see an Urdu film with his friends and he enjoyed it a lot. Number A, independent clause. In this sentence, independent clause is he went to see an Urdu film with his friends. Simple sentence expresses a complete thought. इस जुमले में आप देख रहे हैं कि एक मुकम्मल सोच बताई गई है कि वो गया था कहाँ, एक उर्दू फिल्म देखने गया था अपने दोस्तों के साथ. बी, इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. नंबर 2, ही इंजॉयड इट अ लॉट. ये दूसरा सिंपल सेंटेंस आ गया. इसमें एक्सप्रेस अ कंप्लीट थॉट है. ज्वाइन टू द फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, यानी पहला मुकम्मल जुमला दूसरे मुकम्मल जुमले से ज्वाइंट हो गया है विद द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन एंड। इसके अंदर जो कंजक्शन यूज़ की गई वो यूज़ की गई है एंड। ओके, सी डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, थॉ बाबर प्रीफर्स हॉलीवुड एक्शन फिल्म्स। ये जो सेंटेंस है, थॉ बाबर प्रीफर्स हॉलीवुड एक्शन फिल्म्स does not express a complete thought, begins with the subordinating conjunctions. In the end, my dear students, let's revise our all definitions of sentence and kinds of sentence here with the help of a little exercise. Combine each of the following pairs in the simple sentence into a single more interesting simple sentence. The storm ceased, the sun started shining again. We have to mention the kinds of sentences here. Second one, our history teacher knows a lot about the subject. We are very impressed. Number 3, I have bought a fierce Alsatian dog. It will protect my house from burglars. Number 4, Mr. Bean visited our school yesterday. He is an internationally famous actor. Number 5, I studied my work thoroughly. I had no difficulty during the exam. Number 6, he had no money. He could not buy even a single roti. Students, here you see that use of a Urdu word write down in Roman roti. I think that you have surprised here. Number 7, he is very compassionate. That is what we admire most about him. Number 8, Mr. Malik lives in Dadu. He is the district magistrate. It is a large town. Number 9, he was warned of the danger. He took a different route. Number 10, he solved the problem. Everyone praised him for this. My dear students, in this exercise you have to do, here you are going to use and combine each of the following pair of simple sentence. In this exercise you have 2 pairs of simple sentences and all the students you have to join it with and combine it into a single more interesting simple sentence. इनको आपने join करके बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है, इसको और ज़्यादा मॉडिफाई करना है। क्या यूज़ करके? काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस में से कुछ भी क्लॉज यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई सा भी कंपाउंड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई सा भी कंजक्शन यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसको मॉडिफाई करना है। क्या करना है? इनको दोनों को कंबाइन करके सेंटेंसेस को दोनों पेयर्स को कंबाइन करना है और सिंपल सेंटेंस इनटू अ सिंगल सेंटेंस। इन दोनों सिंपल सेंटेंस को कंबाइन करके एक सिंगल सिंपल सेंटेंस में इसको मॉडिफाई करके एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करना है। ओके, थैंक यू।